Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily install a font inside your Mac. The first thing that you need to do is to open your font book, and you can do that by Command Space. And as you can see here, I'm opening it up. And I've already opened on my screen. We just have to look for the font that we want to add into our document. In this case, I want to check if I've installed a font called Lato. As you can see here, we don't have Lato installed in our font book, but that's very simple. We just have to go online and we can look for this font here inside Google Fonts. Google Font is a very nice online repository where you can find a lot of fonts and you can test them. So here we can go online, we can see that we have different styles for this font, but the most important thing is to download the font family here at the top. This is going to download a zip file that we can double click and we can open the zip file inside Downloads, and we have now a new folder inside Downloads. We double click here, and as you can see, sometimes you will have a single TTF file that you can just simply click, and this is going to install the font inside your Apple computer. But in this case, we have a lot of different files. Let me show you an example. So because I was testing this before, for instance, if I look at this golos.txt file style here, we could have just clicked on the single file here at the top, which contains all these styles here. But in this case here, in this Lato, we just have a lot of TTF file. Well, that's still very simple. We just select the first file, we press Shift, and then we click on the last TTF file. Then we do a right click or double click, and then we say Open. This is going to open all these styles inside Font Book. As you can see here at the top, I have all the styles. It is very important that you check that and you have selected all the files. So this is fine, we just have to say install. And now if I do a search again, as you can see, I have this font installed inside my Mac, Lato. Let me just quickly open Word, for instance. And you will see that if I open a blank document and I search for the font, now we have this Lato font and we have all these different styles that we can use in our document, or we can use it in any other program that you have installed inside your Mac. I really hope you find this video useful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. You can also support my channel by buying me a coffee, or you can support me on Patreon. Thank you very much for listening and see you in the next video.